already know from the caption of this video, मैं जा रही हूँ यूरोप और यूरोप में हम जा रहे हैं 4 अलग कंट्रीज़ में, which is something which is very very exciting, and I'm traveling with Ishan. I think he's very somewhere. I've come to get myself some coffee, तो मैंने कॉफ़ी ली है और हमारी सबसे पहली कंट्री है द नेदरलैंड्स. So we're going to be in Amsterdam for the first 3 days of this epic journey. There is tons of suggestions I want to give you guys, very important ones in this Europe series, so stay tuned through the episodes. For the first one, we're going to be in Amsterdam for the first 3 days that we go, and you guys always ask me, आप कौन से महीने में travel कर रहे हो? I want to tell you, this is January, and I am traveling in January to Europe, which is going to be super cold. So that's that, but I'm super excited, and let's go. बाकी की बातें आगे चलते करेंगे. For now, the destination is Amsterdam. By the way, I'm taking an Indigo direct flight to Amsterdam, which is the best thing. You don't have any layovers, no transits, nothing at all. एक visa, Schengen, सीधा directly to Amsterdam. They have Mumbai to Amsterdam direct flights by Indigo. So that's that. फ्लाइट को बोर्ड करने में अभी तो 2.5 घंटे है. I'm just going to sit down and enjoy my coffee. So we have a very long flight, and we don't know the food that we'll get on the flight. Plus, we don't really prefer eating the flight food a lot. Even though it's Indigo has great food, but still we didn't want to take a chance since it's a long flight. So we're just picking up our burgers from McDonald's. Ishan is right there. He's getting the burgers. We're going to just pack some for the flight. Okay, so our burgers are finally here. But the time is not yet here to go. But while that happens, Ishan is here now, finally. Ishan, are you excited to go?
Yeah, extremely excited.
बैग्स हैव कम एंड काफ़ी स्मूथ प्रोसेस था इमिग्रेशन का. एक्चुअली मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी क्योंकि मेरे पास जो शेंजन वीज़ा है वो इटली का है, जो मैंने पिछले साल लिया था, और ईशान का जो वीज़ा है वो हमने फ्रांस से लिया था, बिकॉज उसकी फ्रांस की मतलब अपॉइंटमेंट डेट्स VFS के क्लोजर मिल रहे थे. सो वी डिड दैट. सो आई न्यू दैट वो पूछेंगे कि एक का फ्रांस से क्यों, एक का इटली से क्यों है. बट वाज प्रीटी ओके. और कुछ नहीं पूछा, वेर आर यू गोइंग, हमने कहा एम्स्टरडैम. They asked why Amsterdam, so I just said ऐसे ही घूमना था, काफ़ी टाइम से वहीं भी जाना था, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमें देखनी वहाँ पे. So she was like pretty okay, and then that's it. We just got our bags now, और अब हम करेंगे exit. Ishan's gone to the washroom. I'm just waiting for him. एक बार वो आ जाए तो we will be exiting from here and into Amsterdam. It's cold outside. It's not very cold, but it's very windy outside, जिसकी वजह से थोड़ी सी ठंड लग रही है. But it's sunny, it's beautiful, and I'm super pumped and excited. Okay, so as you can see at any airport जैसे होता है, there are currency exchange places, there are shuttle buses के लिए एक direction दिया हुआ है, for taxis where we're going straight. There are shops actually जहाँ से आप proper shopping कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. Number of stores, there's cafes, restaurants, so there's a ton. It's a very overwhelming airport, I would say. Schiphol airport is one of the most busy airports also in Europe, so I get where all of this comes from. So in case you haven't seen Amsterdam airport, this is what it looks like. Yeah, so like you can see अलग-अलग चीज़ें बहुत clearly marked है, so it's very easy to navigate. जहाँ आपको जाना है, you can see directions and head out. ऊबर से we've booked a taxi and we're waiting for it. सब सामान लेके जो टैक्सी पिकअप पॉइंट होता है वहाँ पे आके रुके. We're just waiting for our car. Guys, our car is here.
Family here and there. My mother is there.
Oh,
And my sister and my brother is here.
okay. Everything's okay there?
Yeah.
finally checked into our B&B. It's called as Casa Delia, and this is so beautiful. It's so homely. It's exactly like a B&B should be. Very cozy, very it's like a home away from home. Let me quickly give you a walk around of the B&B. Okay, so this is like the living area, जहाँ पे एक dining table दिया हुआ है, and a very nice and welcoming touch is that they've given some fruits and some stroop waffles, जो Amsterdam के बहुत ही local चीज़ है. And then you move ahead and there's a huge couch here with a very cozy blanket if you want to just cozy and sit. There's chairs, there's a window for the view, some fresh air, and then there's a whole kitchen area here. So ये पूरा kitchen दिया हुआ है. There's a microwave, there's an oven. They have given us milk, they've given us prosecco, beers, stuff like that. और जो basic cooking की चीज़ें होती हैं like salt, pepper, oil, ये सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. So if you want to stay in and cook, you can do that. सारे बर्तन वगैरह दिए हैं. There's a gas, everything, and this is full of crockery inside. And let's move into the bedroom. Alright, so welcome to Casa Delia's bedroom. This is a cozy little bedroom. And I am absolutely loving the vibe here. यहाँ पे टाल्स वगैरह रखे हुए हैं और एक छोटा सा शार एरिया दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. So basically this is a whole full-fledged home. There's nothing that could be better, I feel, than this. जो होना चाहिए, जितना होना चाहिए, सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. It just feels so nice. I'm so glad that I'm staying here. And if you guys want to book this place, all the details are in the video's caption. There is a direct link to booking it. There's a phone number as well. So if you guys want to get in touch with them, the hosts are extremely sweet and welcoming. तो मैं उनकी सारे details छोड़ रही हूँ. You can contact them, get in touch, and you can book this place right in the heart of Amsterdam. It's just a 5-minute walk to the city center. So अभी भूख लगी है. We're going to heat up some food, have that, and then let's see what's the plan of action. Ishan has just heated some burgers for us, जो हम लेकर आए थे बॉम्बे से ही. I'll show you something very cool. Look at this. यहाँ पे सारे cables दिए हुए हैं in one of the cupboards where you can like just literally charge Type C है. There's lightning cable for iPhone and you can just charge all your stuff there, which is so cool. Also here's another cool thing. आपको पता होगा कि यूरोप में पानी बहुत साफ होता है हर जगह का. So when the red light comes on, basically इसमें गर्म पानी आता है, and then when you click this again and इसमें blue light आता है, तो इसमें से sparkling water आता है, and then when you tap it one single time, तो इसमें से normal still water आता है. How cool is that? Literally one tap for hot boiling water. If you want to make tea, coffee, sparkling water and still water. I think Ishan has found his new toy. ईशान, ये हम लोग हमारे घर पे भी लगा सकते हैं ना, इंडिया जाके.
It's an expensive toy. I can drink normal water at home.
Okay, and this is the rest of the things. We have a coffee maker and some cups here. Alright, so because today we have just landed or it was a long flight, we're a little tired. पूरी रात नींद हो नहीं पाई है. I mean, flight में जैसी होती है वैसी थी. तो I'm just going to rest for a while. This bed is also too cozy. और आज का दिन हमने ज़्यादा heavy रखा नहीं है. We didn't want to like, you know, just come and then be up and about. So शाम में we will be going out though. A couple of places that we want to go. I'll tell you more about it when we head out. But for now, I'm just going to rest for an hour and then we'll wake up and then head out. Alright, so we took a good nap. 1 घंटे का अलार्म लगा के 3 घंटे सो गए हम. But we were super tired, so that was required. And now we've left. आज कुछ ज़्यादा एजेंडा में नहीं है, बट हमें एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग जगह पे जाना है जो आपको पता चलेगी once we're there. So let's go. We're trying to figure out the tram system यहाँ पे जो है, क्योंकि trams लेना is very feasible over here in Amsterdam and it has real good connectivity. Alright, so breakfast is done and as you can see we are all ready to head out. बस अभी 5 मिनट में बाहर ही निकलेंगे. We're just sitting with my laptop क्योंकि मैंने पूरा जो itinerary है planned it out and all written it down here, and it's just easier to sort of draw a route map. कि आपको कहाँ चल के पहले जाना है या कहाँ से ट्रैम लेनी है, what do you have to do for the day when it's all written down, so that you know you're not wasting time or you're not lost in a place. So I always write it down. तो we were just opening that and checking out कि यहाँ से जो पहली जगह हमें जानी है कितनी दूर है, कैसे जा सकते हैं, and happens to be very close places here that we want to see today. They're very very close, so we're going to be visiting some of the key places of Amsterdam city, and yeah, that's what our day is like. We want to wrap up a little early. So यहाँ पे sunrise बहुत जल्दी हो रहा है. वी आर हियर इन जनवरी, सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स विंटर मंथ एंड द सनराइजेज हैपन वेरी वेरी लेट. 8:30 बजे सनराइज होता है और सनडाउन हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी, 5 बजे हो जाता है. तो द डेज आर वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट, सो वी वांट टू काइंड ऑफ मैक्सिमाइज ऑन द जितनी भी लाइट वी हैव आउटसाइड, एंड देन वी वांट टू कम बैक इन हियर बिकॉज दिस प्लेस इज सो कोजी, इट्स सो नाइस एंड इट जस्ट फील्स रियली नाइस बीइंग इन हियर. सो या दैट्स द प्लान फॉर द डे. बस अभी I'm gonna put on the shoes and head out. Okay guys, so this is always a huge confusion what magnets to take. So we're planning to take one magnet from each country we're going, and we managed to get 4 of these because जितने ज़्यादा लेते उतने ज़्यादा offers मिलते हैं. We also got these really pretty scarves for ourselves. So let's go get the billing done. Did you enjoy that market? Did you like it?
It was, I said it was nice. It was good.
Okay. Yeah, it was nice. So basically आप किसी भी मतलब नए शहर में जाओगे और उसकी बहुत लोकल चीज़ें जो मिलती है ना मार्केट में, वैसा ही था. You get good souvenirs to take back home, very good scarves, caps and gloves. So ऐसी जो छोटी मोटी विंटरी चीज़ें होती है, shoes as well, socks, ये सब जो आपको बहुत ही discounted rates में अगर चाहिए, lower than what you'd get at shops. Oh shit, lower than what you'd get at shops. That was all available there. So it's a good way to start your day and induct yourself into the culture and the place. The next place we're going to is a museum, which is I'm highly anticipating going there because it's a Van Gogh museum, and that's that. पर अभी हमारे पास टाइम है, 1 बजे का उसका बुकिंग किया है, तो अभी थोड़ा टाइम है. So we're just gonna walk around and wander and explore the city a little. Now we've reached Museum Plan, which is basically an entire area जहाँ पे Amsterdam की जो 3-4 important museums है वो है. Right in front of me is the Van Gogh Museum, which we bought tickets to. 1 बजे का हमारा slot है, so we still have a lot of time for that. But before that, we're just over here exploring the places around. So you can see a lot of stuff happening. There are kids who are in the snow over there. छोटा सा snow park बनाया. I think they're skiing or doing something like that. And then there are some cafes and restaurants. So we're going to be exploring this area around before we can head to the Van Gogh Museum. Okay, so ये जो पूरा म्यूजियम वाला एरिया है, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू टेक योर बिग बैग्स एंड स्टफ इनसाइड. तो अगर आपके पास कोई बड़ा लगेज है, अगर यू जस्ट हैव अ लिटिल टाइम एंड यू नो आप अपने बैग्स के साथ ही आते हो, तो द गुड थिंग इज ये सारे म्यूजियम वाले एरियाज के बाहर एक लॉकअप पॉइंट दिया है जहाँ पे यू कैन सिक्योरली पुट योर लगेज एंड हैसल फ्री यू कैन देन एंटर द म्यूजियम्स एंड कम बैक एंड कलेक्ट योर लगेज, व्हिच आई थिंक इज अ रियली ग्रेट थिंग. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ पेड सर्विस, बट स्टिल इट काइंड ऑफ हेल्प्स अ लॉट, राइट? गाइस, सो हम वैन गो म्यूजियम में फाइनली एंटर कर चुके हैं और हमारा ऑडियो गाइड है, सो वील हैव टू कलेक्ट आवर हेडफोन्स फ्रॉम देयर, आई एम अज्यूमिंग. Okay, so this is the audio guide that we've bought. They give you this device to be plugged to your earphones. एंड उसको यहाँ से कलेक्ट करना होता है. ऑल्सो अगर आपके पास बड़े बैकपैक्स या कुछ भी है, जैसे हमारे पास एक बैकपैक था, तो यू हैव टू कीप इट इन द लॉकर हियर. इट्स फ्री ऑफ चार्ज बट यू कांट कैरी इट इनसाइड. एंड मैंने अपने ईयरफोन्स पहन लिए फॉर द ऑडियो बुक. वी डिडंट वांट टू गेट एन एक्चुअल गाइड, वी वांटेड टू जस्ट गेट द ऑडियो गाइड, सो वी गॉट दैट एंड नाउ वी गोना गो एंटर एंड सी व्हाट इट्स लाइक. To the next floor. तो basically अलग अलग floors के लिए अलग अलग information दिया है. So we finished with 0. Now we're heading to floor 1. Whoa. Reached this place जहाँ पे there are so many restaurants, cafes and little shops. Very lively place. I'm sure शाम होते होते और lively हो जाता होगा. But here we are trying to find a place to sit down and grab something to eat. Okay, तो हम लोग अभी बैठे थे बर्गर किंग में. वी हैड सम फूड और अब हम यहाँ बैठ के एक कैनाल क्रूज कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी जस्ट थॉट इट वुड बी ए नाइस एडिशन. यहाँ पे एम्स्टरडैम इज फुल ऑफ कैनाल्स, सो वी थॉट वी डू लाइक अ कैनाल क्रूज जिसमें दे गिव यू लाइक ड्रिंक्स एंड फूड एंड दे टेक यू अक्रॉस द कैनाल्स ऑफ एम्स्टरडैम. सो अभी 1 घंटे में वो टूर स्टार्ट होगा. सो वी जस्ट बुकिंग दैट राइट नाउ. वील वॉक अराउंड दिस एरिया लिटिल बिट, वील एक्सप्लोर इट. बहुत ही अच्छा लाइवली एरिया, सो वी एक्सप्लोर दैट एंड देन हेड फॉर द क्रूज. Okay, so we finally boarded the cruise and we have an audio book with it, so we are given earphones and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's enjoy the cruise. Let me show you what you can do if you're booking this cruise tour.
Free, there you can find the guitar of Jimi Hendrix and also the beautiful t-shirt of Shakira with her big boobies inside, of course. We have the beautiful Cats Museum. If you like cats, on the left hand side, the beautiful Cats Museum.
Done with the tram with the cruise. The cruise has lulled us into sleep.
No, it was good. I liked it. You
Even
were
I liked
sleeping,
it.
I wasn't. I had to like wake you up 3 times.
Rubbish. I woke you up 4 times. No, but it was
nice.
good.
I think it's the best investment that we did.
Yeah, because they explain you everything. Like they take you on a 1 hour cruise, so they explain you everything about क्या history है सारे buildings की, etc. etc. छोटे मोटे जो information होती है, it was pretty nice. It was pretty insightful. We had that audio book, so it was very explanatory. अब हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से घर. Okay guys, तो हम जा रहे थे कैनाल से घर जा रहे थे चल के, and we just stumbled upon a beer museum where you can get like a Heineken beer tour. So we just got pulled in and now we're buying tickets for that. जिस तरह से ये बनाया है, it looks so fascinating. It pulled us in, so we couldn't say no. And now we're going to see this beer museum and show you guys as well. Let's go get some beers.
Yep, so it's a self-guided tour. My colleagues are going to be scattered throughout the building. You're going to be going from point to point throughout the building.
These are our bottling machines, the originals. So this will be pressurized full of beer. We'll put the bottles in here, we close it up.
Guys, this brew room is insane. Imagine standing in the center of an age-old brew room. This is just crazy. You like it so far?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
They have a natural preservative, okay? Which is the reason why in no beer, which is not just any beer, and you don't have to add any chemical to extend the shelf life, okay? Which is why beer is a natural product in itself, okay?
Okay, give it a kiss. Mwah. Yay! Okay, so there's one correct. Thank you, golden.
It tastes amazing.
Okay, so go a bit closer. We're gonna do a little tasting, so I'll show you a little bit.
Guys, we are back in our amazing Airbnb. I've showered, I've done my skincare, I've gotten all cozy, and I'm sitting in the couch now. It's time for me to finish some work that I have ongoing, so I'm going to be doing that. Ishan is also here. He's watching something on his tablet, and yeah, we got ourselves some ramen to make if we feel hungry at night, which is just there on the table. And we just picked up some coffees for tomorrow morning. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We are just going to be lounging in here for a while and then going to sleep because tomorrow is a special day. We have a tour booked tomorrow. कौन सा tour है मैं आपको कल ही सुबह बताऊंगी. उसके लिए सुबह कल जल्दी उठना है. So stay tuned. अभी नहीं मिला मीटिंग पॉइंट तो हम काफ़ी लेट जाएंगे. So that's our bus guide. Magical fairy tale town. हम बैठ चुके हैं बस में.
Made with milk.
Thanks a lot. ईशान के पैर से ढक उड़ गया. चीज़ म्यूजियम में.